All right, I want to make this little skull over here. I want to make his jaw move. And I created that in Illustrator, but I had to save it as two different pieces. So what I did is I went in and I exported as a PNG the upper part, and then the little jaw down here, that's this one. I'm going to resize this. It might not be perfect, but it'll be good enough. Okay. And just going to move these pieces together. And that's going to work for this tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to go up to Window, and I'm going to go to my workspace and choose Motion. There's two different types here. We have a create frame animation. You click this little drop down, there's a video timeline. We want frame animation. Okay, so it doesn't really matter which one we click. What we're going to do is create the animation as long as one of these layers is selected. And there it is. So what I'm going to do next is create a new layer, or a new frame, I should say. It's not going to show up in your layers panel. It's going to show up here. Hit the plus, go into my layers panel, bring down the jaw down like this. And if I were just to test this now, it's going to chomp really fast. Notice here, this is 0 seconds. That means there's going to be no delay in between. This right here says forever. That means that this thing is going to animate forever. You can adjust that if you want. You can hit play or space bar to test it. And that's what it looks like at the moment. Okay, a little fast. So I'm going to go back, click on this one here. Right next to that new frame button, there's this one here. It's these are tweens animation frames. Click once. For you, it's probably going to default at 5. I have 10 right now. And what's going to happen when I hit OK, it's going to create 10 duplicates between 1 and 2 here, okay? Between this one and this one. And it's going to fill this gap with that jaw piece moving. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and hit space bar. All right, so that's working. Now, if I wanted him to do the reverse, I'm going to go ahead and create a new one here. Okay, it's the exact same. But with this one selected, I'm going to move the jaw back up. And then I'm going to hit the tween button again. We'll do another 10. And there you go. Okay, now you can imagine, I mean, this isn't moving very fast. I mean, it works, but that's what we're going to get. From here, if you go back to, let's say, this slide, pick any one, but whatever which one you're landing on is going to be the one that's going to be the preview when you save it. File, export, save for web. You can click preview right here. But notice up here, there's a preset and then there's a file type. Okay, we do not want a PNG. We're going to click on that and select GIF. Here we go. We're going to click preview. This opens it in a web browser. And it's not published, it's a private right there. So we're good. And then from there, get back to my Photoshop, we would just hit save. And you're good to go. Now, if you hit save, and I'm just going to throw this into my downloads, I'm going to go back into my downloads, and if I were to click on this here, it's going to open in the preview. See how it doesn't work? I have to manually hit spacebar. Okay, that's fine. Right click, open with, just choose a browser, Chrome or Safari, whatever you have. And you can test it there too. Okay, one more. Different scenario, same technique. I'm going to use this lightning bolt. and I'm going to create my frame animation. And in this one, I'm going to go ahead and add it. This time I'm going to drag this one all the way down, create my tweens. Okay, now it's flying across. Maybe you have something else that you want to make fly. Something else that you can do here is, I'm going to rotate this back around, is if I create a new one, change the opacity, let's say to 50. Whoop, didn't mean to do that. Hit my tweens. And you can see it's going to fill in with any type of blinking or things like that. So easy ways to do it. Yeah, have fun with these.